Let's take a look at this example. We have to subtract from the mixed number the fraction. Okay, anytime you have problem like this, you have to convert the mixed number to the improper fraction by simply finding the product of the whole number and the denominator. To multiply 2 times 12, and the result you have to add to the numerator. 2 times 12 gives me 24 plus 5 gives me 29 over 12 minus 4 over 7. Okay, if you have a problem to find a common denominator, you can always multiply these two denominators by themselves, and this is going to give you also the common denominator. Maybe it's not going to be the lowest one, but at the end you are going to reduce to the lowest terms. So I have 29 over 12 and I have 4 over 7. Okay, if you have difficulties to find common denominators, simply multiply these two denominators by themselves. So 12 times 7 is 84. Now the question is, by what number I have to multiply 12 to get 84? I have to multiply by 7. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. 29 times 7 is 203. By what number I have to multiply 7 to get 84? I have to multiply by 12. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. Times 12 is 48. Okay, I'm going to copy these equivalent fractions to these fractions into my equation. I have 203 divided by 84 minus 48 over 84. 203 minus 48 is 155 over 84. I'm not seeing any common factor in 155 and 84. That's why I'm going to perform the long division. So I have 155 divided by 84. How many times 84 goes into 155? 1. 1 times 84 gives me 84. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 15 minus 8 gives me 7. Okay? So I cannot divide 71 by 84. That's why my answer is 1 and 71 over 84. Now the top number goes to the front. The remainder goes to the numerator and the divisor goes to the denominator. That's why the answer for my problem is 1 and 71 over 84. This is the solution.